Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Notion.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
सर क्लास स्टार्ट कीजिए।
25 स्टूडेंट्स जब तक नहीं होगा मैं नहीं स्टार्ट करूंगा।
तो सर कोई आएगा नहीं आएगा तो ये कैसे कंफर्म कर सकते हैं? ग्रुप पे तो मैसेज कर ही रहे हैं।
मैं क्या बताऊं?
यस सर, ग्रुप में भी मैसेज हो गया है सर हम लोग का, बट अब नहीं आएगा तो क्या कर सकते।
सर ये ऑफलाइन क्लास छोड़ेगी हम लोग किसी को जाके खींच के लाए सर। ये ऑनलाइन क्लास पे तो ऐसे कॉल भी करेंगे तो कोई रिसीव भी करेगी या नहीं करेगी।
ओके फाइन।
ठीक है सर।
Start writing. Today we will do module 5. Okay, module 4. Okay, write diesel electric power plant. Diesel electric power plant. Okay, so how is electrical power produced from diesel power plant? Anyone? Diesel power plant में कैसे electricity produce होता है? Anyone any idea?
Yes, sir.
हाँ रोशन बोलो।
Sir, this is number generator, sir. We use in like functions and hormones.
ओके ठीक है।
This is generally drive by diesel engine.
हाँ ओके ठीक है फाइन। So basically what happens, the diesel burns inside inside the generator, and which produces a mechanism to rotate the prime mover, and from there we get the electricity. Okay, so write down, in a diesel power station, comma, diesel engine is used as a prime mover. Diesel engine is used as a prime mover, full stop. The diesel burns inside the engine. The diesel burns inside the engine, and the products of this combustion act as a working fluid to produce mechanical energy.
सर आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है,
क्या बोल रही हो?
आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है।
हाँ, मैं स्क्रीन से नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं मतलब कहीं दूसरी जगह से बोल रहा हूँ।
ओके ओके सर।
थोड़ा स्लो बोलिए सर।
In a diesel power station, comma, diesel engine is used as the prime mover, full stop. Okay, the diesel burns inside the engine. The diesel burns inside the engine, and the products of this combustion act as a working fluid to produce mechanical energy. Full stop. The diesel engine drives alternator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. ठीक है?
Sir,
So-
please repeat the last sentence.
The diesel engine drives alternator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The diesel engine drives alternator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay. विकास कुमार महातो, मॉड्यूल 4 का पहला टॉपिक क्या है? विकास कुमार महातो, विकास कुमार,
यस सर।
मॉड्यूल 4 का पहला टॉपिक क्या है?
सर डीजल इंजन।
हाँ, उसका बाद वाला टॉपिक, उसका अंदर में फर्स्ट सब टॉपिक क्या है? क्या हुआ विकास, अभी तक सिलेबस नहीं लिखे हो?
सर लिखे हैं, देखना पड़ेगा।
अरे तो नोट्स में ही तो लिखे हो, नोट्स एक कॉपी में ही तो लिख रहे हो, सेम कॉपी में ही तो तुम नोट्स लिख रहे हो, या नहीं लिख रहे हो, अलग कॉपी में लिख रहे हो, या लिख ही नहीं रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो?
सर कंपोनेंट्स, टाइप्स ऑफ डीजल प्लांट्स।
हाँ, ये देख के बोले हो, किसी ने मैसेज किया तुमको? तुम
नो
लोग
सर,
के,
देख के बोले सर।
ठीक है, फाइन। कोमल कुमारी क्या है, कुछ है बोल, क्या बोल रही हो, बोलो।
नहीं सर, आप क्वेश्चन कर रही थी तो बस हाथ उठाए।
ओके, फाइन। सो राइट डाउन टाइप्स ऑफ डीजल पावर प्लांट। तुम लोग का सिलेबस मैं पूरा सजा के पढ़ा रहा हूँ, फिर भी तुम लोग का इतना कैजुअल एटीट्यूड अच्छा नहीं लगता है। 1 minute. Okay. Is it visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So types of diesel plants में लिखो in a diesel engine, comma, air is first compressed to a high pressure. Air is first compressed to a high pressure and a small volume. Okay. Bracket में लिखो within brackets volumetric compression ratio varying between 13 and 22. Bracket close. At which the hot air temperature is more than the self-ignition temperature of the fuel oil, comma, which is sprayed into the compressed air in fine atomized form. ओके तो क्या करते हैं पहले एयर को हम लोग कंप्रेस करते हैं टू हाई प्रेशर एंड अ स्मॉल वॉल्यूम, ठीक है। उससे क्या होता है कि तुम्हारा उसका टेम्परेचर बहुत बढ़ जाता है, इतना बढ़ जाता है मतलब जब हम लोग उसको स्प्रे करते हैं ऑयल के ऊपर तो वो ऑयल बर्न हो जाता है, सेल्फ इग्नाइट हो जाता है। ओके फाइन। So after full stop, right, the combustion products expand, doing work on the piston till the exhaust valve opens, full stop. Exhaust of the product then takes place, comma, at the end of which fresh air is again taken into the cylinder, and the cycle repeats itself, full stop. There is no spark plug, full stop. Fuel oil spray burns into the hot compressed air, full stop. Hence a diesel engine is also called a compression engine or a CI engine, very important. Hence a diesel engine is also called a compression engine or a CI engine. Okay. Now next para, write down diesel engine.
Sir,
Next paragraph. Diesel engines can be 4-stroke and 2-stroke, comma, horizontal and vertical, comma, single cylinder and multi-cylinder, comma, naturally aspirated and supercharged. Full stop. ठीक है। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या है, नेक्स्ट सब टॉपिक क्या था?
सर कंपोनेंट है।
कंपोनेंट्स, गुड। सो कंपोनेंट्स में लिखो द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट में लिखो इंजन। फर्स्ट
यस
कंपोनेंट
सर,
में
फर्स्ट
लिखो
कंपोनेंट इंजन है।
इंजन। उसमें लिखो इट इज अ मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ द प्लांट, and is directly coupled to the generator, ठीक है। उसके बाद लिखो पॉइंट नंबर 2, एयर इनटेक सिस्टम। It conveys fresh air through lobules LOUVRES through loveus. Loveus मतलब
सर
होता है,
वो क्या होता है?
क्या बोल
लोविस
रही
क्या
हो
होता है?
कोमल? मुझे
लोविस
कंप्लीट
क्या
करने
होता
दो
है?
कोमल।
क्या
फर्स्ट
सर?
लेट मी कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस, देन यू आस्क योर क्वेश्चन.
ओके ओके, सॉरी
First,
सर.
give me time to explain. Lovis होता है sort of window blind. Okay? Sort of window blind. मतलब एक mesh होता है. Sort of a mesh. ठीक है? Mesh मतलब समझते हो ना, जाली. कोमल समझी?
Yes, sir.
ओके सर.
हाँ. कभी भी डांटता हूँ तो दिल पे मत लेना, ठीक है ना? सब कोई, मैं सब हर किसी को बोलते रहता हूँ. Okay? Be free to ask questions. It conveys fresh air through lobules and air filter that removes dirt, etc., causing wear of the engine. Full stop. Next, लिखो exhaust system. लिखो it discharges the engine exhaust to the atmosphere. It discharges the CR present हो क्या? CR आज भी present नहीं है. ठीक है. जितेंद्र कुमार हो क्या तुम ऑनलाइन? जितेंद्र कुमार.
यस सर.
मुझे एक
Yes, sir.
स्क्रीनशॉट पार्टिसिपेंट का स्क्रीनशॉट भेज के मुझे भेजो व्हाट्सएप
sir.
पर. लेकिन इसका ये मतलब नहीं
Okay,
है कि हाँ ओके ओके फाइन. बट इट डजंट मीन कि मैं और एक बार अटेंडेंस नहीं ले सकता. मैं और एक बार भी अटेंडेंस ले सकता हूँ, उसको अपलोड कर सकता हूँ. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं अटेंडेंस ले लिया हो तो तुम लोग मतलब निकल जाओगे मीटिंग से. So write down it discharges the engine exhaust to the atmosphere. Full stop. The exhaust manifold connects the engine cylinder exhaust outlet to the exhaust pipe, which is provided with a muffler or silencer to reduce pressure on the exhaust line and eliminate most of the noise which may result if gases are discharged directly to the atmosphere. For the same reason we use silencer in our bike, right? बाइक में हम लोग एक साइलेंसर यूज करते हैं, लेकिन वो साइलेंसर जब खराब हो जाता है तब कैसे एक आवाज निकलता है, फट 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 आवाज निकलता है. So that is the exhaust system. ठीक है? We have, I mean, you should correlate with that. Fine. उसके बाद पॉइंट नंबर 4. मैं थोड़ा सा फास्ट जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि तुम लोग का सेमेस्टर एग्जाम कब है?
फरवरी मार्च तक होगा सर.
फेब्रुअरी ना, तो बस हम लोग के पास 2 ही महीना बचा है और अभी भी ऑलमोस्ट 2 मॉड्यूल कंप्लीट करना बाकी है. और ये जो कोल वाला है उसमें टाइम लगेगा. इट इज अ ह्यूज चैप्टर, सो आई हैव टू गो अ लिटिल बिट फास्ट क्योंकि बीच में तुम लोग का फिर ये भी रहेगा, मिड सेम रहेगा. ठीक है? सो राइट डाउन फ्यूल सिस्टम में लिखो द फ्यूल इंजेक्शन सिस्टम is the heart of a diesel engine. उसके बाद लिखो the fuel injection system performs the following functions. Part A, filter the fuel. Part B, meter the correct quantity of the fuel to be injected. Time the injection process. Regulate the fuel supply. Next, secure fine atomization of fuel oil. Next, distribute the atomized fuel properly in the combustion chamber. Okay. Next, write down. Next, write down common rail injection system. Sorry. 1 minute. Next, write down cooling system. I hope it is there. Cooling system is there. Next, write down cooling system. Very important again. The temperature of the gases. The temperature of the gases inside the cylinder may be as high as 2750 degrees Celsius. May be as high as 2750 degrees Celsius. Full stop. If there is no external cooling, comma, the cylinder walls and the piston will tend to assume the average temperature of the gases, which may be of the order of 1000 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius. Full stop. The cooling of the engine is necessary for the following reasons. Part A, the lubricating oil used determines the maximum engine temperature that can be used. The lubricating oil used determines the maximum engine temperature that can be used. Full stop. This temperature varies from 160 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. Full stop. Above these temperatures, the lubricating oil deteriorates very rapidly and may evaporate and burn, damaging the piston and cylinder surfaces. Full stop. Piston seizure due to overheating may also occur. Point B. The strength of the materials used for various engine parts decreases with increase in temperature. Full stop. Local thermal stresses can develop due to uneven expansion of various parts, comma, often resulting in cracking. Point C. Hot engine temperatures may result in very hot exhaust valve, giving rise to pre-ignition and detonation or knocking. Point D. Due to high cylinder head temperature, comma, the volumetric efficiency and hence power output of the engine are reduced. Okay, these points are self-explanatory, nothing to explain. ठीक है ना? कोई doubt है तो पूछना. Following are the two methods of cooling the engine. First one is air cooling, second one is water cooling. Okay. Next, write down. Oh, the next one is missing, I guess. Sorry. Write down lubricating system. It's not in this PDF. Write down lubricating system. Okay. Write down lubrication is the flow of oil between two surfaces having relative motion. Full stop. The following are the important function of a lubricating system. The following are the important functions of a lubricating system. Number one, lubrication. Okay, after semicolon, write to keep moving parts sliding freely past each other, comma, thus reducing engine friction and wear. Thus reducing engine friction and
Please
wear.
repeat after.
To keep moving parts sliding freely past each other, comma, thus reducing engine friction and wear. Full stop. Part 2, cooling. Part 2 nahi, I mean point 2, cooling. After semicolon, write to keep the surfaces cool. By taking away a part of the heat caused by friction. Okay. Monit Kumar, last sentence paro.
Sir, cooling to keep the surface cool by taking away a part of heat caused by friction.
Okay, thank you. Cleaning. Next point, write down cleaning. To keep the bearings and piston rings clean of the products, clean of the products of wear, of WEAR, wear, as well as of combustion by washing them away. Full stop. Next point is sealing. SEALING. After semicolon, write to form a good seal, SEAL, to form a good seal between the piston rings and the cylinder walls. Next one is reducing noise. To reduce the noise of the engine, by absorbing vibration. Okay.
सर एक बार रिपीट कीजिएगा.
Okay. So Mausam Mishra, repeat the last sentence. Mausam Mishra, don't need to do the class.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Repeat
Sir, I'm
repeat the last sentence.
Sir, to reduce the noise absorption.
To reduce the noise of the
Like this.
engine by absorbing vibration. Okay. To
Yes.
reduce the noise of the engine by absorbing vibration. Okay. After that, write down next point. Not next point, next para, write down various lubrication systems used for IC engines may be classified as per the following. Part A, mist lubrication system. Point A, mist, MIST lubrication system. Point B, wet, W-E-T, wet, sump, S-U-M-P. W-E-T, wet, S-U-M-P, sump. Lubrication system. Point C, dry sump lubricating system. Dry sump lubricating system. Okay. And finally, write down the next point. Starting of engine. Next component, starting of engine. Starting of engine. Write down. Following are the common methods. Following are the three common methods of starting an engine. Of starting an engine. Following are the three common methods of starting an engine. By an auxiliary engine. By an auxiliary engine. Okay. Which is mounted close to the main engine. Which is mounted close to the main engine and drives the latter through a clutch and gears. And drives the latter through a clutch and gears. Point number 2, by using an electric motor. By using an electric motor in which a storage battery of 12 to 36 volts is used to supply power to an electric motor that drives the engine. Derive is written wrong. That drives the engine. Point number 3, by compressed air system. By compressed air system, comma, in which compressed air at about 17 bar supplied from an air tank is admitted to a few engine cylinders, making them work like reciprocating air motors to run the engine shaft. Making them work like reciprocating air motors to run the engine shaft. So these are the components of diesel power plant. Okay, and you have to wait. Okay, rejoin the class. Less than 1 minute is left. Please rejoin.